Welcome to Milestone Homes podcast series, your complete guide for all new communities in UAE. When His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum launched D33 economic agenda, then he said, the world makes ways for those who know what they want. That exactly Dubai is doing with its vision in Dubai South, covering 145 square kilometer. Dubai South is largest master plan in Dubai and it's designed to fuel next wave of economic growth. The government expects this area alone to contribute 35% of Dubai GDP, creates 5 lakh jobs, house over 1 million residents. Now let's talk about why this matters. It's home to Al Maktoum International Airport, which once complete will be the world's largest, handling up to 260 million passengers and 16 million tons of cargo every year. Construction of this new terminal is already underway,
backed by 128 billion dirham investment.
And it's not just the airport. Dubai South is directly connected to Jebel Ali Port, the upcoming Etihad Railway and the 3 major highways, Emirates Road, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Expo City. The connectivity includes air, sea, rail and road all in one place. This is why over 5,000 companies have already set up here. It's become Dubai multi-modal logistic corridor, and that is not just a level. The Chinese government have invested $2 billion into an 18-kilometer logistic hub here. Add to that the success of Jebel Ali Free Zone, which is now host 9,500 businesses, including over 100 Fortune Global 500 companies. That alone gives you a sense of how big this community is going to be. So what are the top communities driving this growth? Let's start with Emaar South, a golf course community's launch in 2016. It got townhouses, villas, apartment. Some units have seen up to 130% capital appreciation since launch. Right next to it is South Bay, an off-plan lagoon community by Dubai South itself, with apartments starting at 1.1 million AED. It's a modern family-friendly option that moving forward. Then there is the Expo City Dubai, born out of the Expo 2020 site. It's a smart car-free city with ready infrastructure, a metro station, business hub, global tenants like Siemens, Nestle, DP World and Emirates. Now let's talk about Palm Jebel Ali, which is twice of the size of Palm Jumeirah, with 110 km of coastal line, over 80 hotels, resorts. Villas launch from 20 to 24 million and every phase has sold out in an hour. And here's something else investors are watching. Bharat Mart, part of 100 billion Indian UAE traders corridor, opening in 2026. It will have 1,500 plus showroom and a fully integrated warehousing ecosystem driving massive logistic demand. Warehouses rent here are already up to 26 year on year. Now zooming out for a second, Dubai real estate market in 2024 recorded over 1,68,000 off-plan transactions, totally 522 billion. That's a 34% increase from the previous year. Apartments saw an average 23.6% price growth. Villas and townhouses surged by 31.6%, and average villa prices hit up to 10.7 million. Despite this, Dubai property is still completely priced compared to the global cities. Apartment ranged from 1,600 to 5,000 price per square feet, while luxury villas are still around 1,500 price per square feet. Dubai South isn't a future promise, it's a present day opportunity where you are looking at a capital appreciation, tax-free income or a global visa eligibility. Through a 2-3 million dirham properties, it's one of the most strategical placed region in city, and the way things are moving with infrastructure, demands and new launches, this might be just the best time to get in earlier, don't you think so? If you want to walk through of the best investments options in Dubai South, reach out today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and get in touch to reserve your spot in Dubai next big time. Dubai next big thing. Thanks for watching.